After finding a rusted old Starrett ruler in a free stuff pile left by a neighbor, I decided to restore it and repaint its notches. First, I placed it in a tray and covered it with vinegar for an hour or so. Then I scraped the ruler with a bread clip and 1,000 grit wet dry sandpaper to polish the surface. After washing and neutralizing the vinegar, I cleaned the steel with alcohol and was ready to restore the black paint in the notches. I used an oil-based black paint that I had, but acrylic paint could work too. Find a paint with high concentration of pigment or go ahead and mix into your paint more pigment to increase visibility to the notches. I used a rubber applicator to pull the paint down the ruler. A cutoff from a car's windshield wiper blade would work too. Clean any spillovers with lint-free cloth slightly moistened with mineral spirit for oil paint or water for acrylic. After the paint dry, polish the ruler with 1,000 grit wet dry sandpaper and apply a thin layer of wax on your tool.